Hey guys, Emily from Create 86 here. So I have a quick unboxing to do for you today. This is a Poromo traveler's notebook. It was $20 on Amazon, 1-day delivery, and it comes like this. It comes wrapped in plastic and then just in the Amazon bag. So I haven't even opened it yet. It says, yours purchased made my day. I hope this package makes yours. Super cute. You open it up and this is real leather. It was $21. Comes in a nice dust bag. Look at this leather. It is so nice and dark. Try to get the light on it a little bit. It feels so good. I will cut this leather thing off. This little, I guess it's a pen holder. I don't really understand it, but I'll cut that off. But it smells so good. It smells so good and it feels so good as well. It has the unfinished edges. Super pretty. And look at this. Look at all the pockets for 20 bucks. Leather. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then a secretarial. Then you have 4 strings, 4 elastics. So it is standard size and it is beautiful. It's unfinished on the inside as well, but it feels so good. I've been looking for a dark leather standard traveler's notebook forever, I feel like. And let me see if it does say on the website or on Amazon that it does like scratch up easily. So, I mean, I don't care. I'm not gonna baby it. I'll probably roll it to see if I can get any good, cool coloring out of it, because I love that. Oh look, it does have a little bit. I don't know if you can see that right here. But I'm in love with this color. It is so rich and dark. It looks light because of the light, but it's actually, let me see if I can, it's actually dark. Like, it's not a light leather at all. So I am so excited about this. I'm going to be using this as just one of my standards. I'm going to take some of my notebooks and put them in here that I already have in other ones and use this as my main traveler's notebook. So I'm super excited about that. I hope you guys love it. I found it on, I was watching YouTube. I was watching a One Book July video and this woman mentioned this and I thought it was beautiful. And I was like, oh my God, I have to have it. I bought it before the video was done. That's how quick I ordered it. But yeah, it's amazing. It smells so good. She said hers smelled a little bit like cigarettes and like something else, like the polish. But this doesn't smell like that. It just smells like leather. It smells so good. I can't wait to start using it. Oh, so excited. And it reminds me of a chic sparrow. I mean, obviously they've been different over a long period of time. They've had different styles, but this reminds me of that completely. And I'm obsessed with it. I love it. It is so cute. And it's like perfect. It's kind of like it's gonna wear and it's gonna tear, and I love that. It has scratches. It even tells you that you can rub them out, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna let it have its own life and its own style. I can't wait to use it. I'm so excited. I love it. So $20 Amazon. I will put the woman's YouTube channel. I totally forget her name, but I have it saved in my history, so I will check it out and I will put it in the description for you guys. Totally worth $20. You're not really gonna find a better price. And they have tons of other ones as well. So definitely check that out. Oh, look at this. I love that little ring. I like the little distressed now. So I'm gonna do that. And I will set this up and I will maybe do a flip, or I'll do some pictures on Instagram so you guys can see the real color. But with the light out, that's actually the color. Like it's so nice and dark and rich. So, all right guys, I will see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.